We met with the community, had a meeting with the police and other partners, and one of the key things that the community raised was the fact that they wanted to improve the environment. So we had a really good opportunity to come in, make an improvement to the surface of the road, deal with some other issues here. One of the key things for them was safety for the children, and that's one of the things that we can address really quickly and efficiently today.
It's a terraced cul-de-sac, and like many terraced roads, there's a lot of parked vehicles, so to get in and do those repairs has always been difficult. So today we've got a road closure in place, we've got community officers and police helping us talk to the residents, get the cars removed, and we're going to go in and do some repairs, clear the gullies, sweep the roads. The reason we're using Velocity is we've got quite a bit of confidence in the product itself. It's quick, the repairs last, and if we were trying to do those repairs traditionally today, there's a limit to what we can achieve in the time available.
Velocity have been working in Wolverhampton over the past 3 months, repairing roads all across the borough, and we're very proud to be able to support the council today on this social initiative. As a supplier to local government throughout the country, it's a privilege to be able to help social initiatives like this, where we're able to repair roads for charitable organisations, parks, leisure centres, things that help out the local community. We're able to do free of charge while we're working on long-term contracts.
So we had a really good opportunity working with Velocity to have the work done for free today, which really is an amazing thing that we don't get very often, so we had to take advantage of that. So I just want to say a really big thank you to everybody at Velocity. The work's been done really efficiently and smoothly, everybody's really friendly, and it's going far better than I could have ever imagined.
I think it's good, it's about bloody time. Yeah, okay, I don't drive, but I know people that drive and they find this road an absolute nightmare because of the amount of potholes. As I say, word gets done, it turns it into a better community. I hope that the street turns out better than what it is. That's another thing I'm going to be grateful as well. I can actually step in the road and not break my ankle.
We're being spoiled. We ain't usually spoiled in our street.